First step is washing my face with this cleanser from Le Petit Olivier. It's my favorite. It has olive oil and it leaves my skin very hydrated. And then I'm gonna use the toner from Sebocal. It's also one of my favorites. It's for sensitive skin. I've already done that, so let's move forward. Because I'm staying at home and I have plenty of time, I'm gonna treat myself with a face massage. For that, I'm gonna use this Rose Quartz Plantifique Jade Roller and Gua Sha. This is a brand new set. I'm gonna show you what's inside. We have a case, how-to guide. I'm gonna use a face serum. Next, I'm going to apply some eye patches. These are my favorite from Shiseido. All the remaining product is going on my neck. And then with the small side of the jade roller, I'm massaging the under eye area so that the product goes really deep into the skin. Next, I'm using a face cream. This one is from Bobbi Brown. It's actually a vitamin enriched face base, so it's like a primer. I usually use it in the cold season when my skin gets very dry. You can also use the jade roller for this.